All right, here's a cool one. What's the popping sound? So sometimes people get adjusted and they'll hear popping. What that is a release of gas and pressure. Basically, in synovial joints, there's pressure, there's gas. So when we actually adjust people, sometimes because we're gently gapping those joints, you'll hear a popping sound. It's not your bones cracking together. What we're doing is really safe. And actually, a lot of times people can have pain because of the pressure in the atmosphere, like the barometric pressure. So if you ever look on the Weather Channel and you see like that big H or the big L, people will say, man, I can feel when it's going to rain or it's going to snow, because it actually inflames the joints, especially if your joints have been stuck and there's adhesions in there in the muscles. If there's fibrosis, if there's inflammation, if there's degeneration and arthritis, those joints can actually become a problem. So what we want to do is try to get those moving as best as possible to make it so that as we get older, we're not as affected from the barometric pressure. I know I don't bounce back now like I did when I was 25. And a lot of that has to do with just wear and tear over time. So when we're working on people, and sometimes when we're working on them, we get their joints moving properly, get their spine moving, they can hear a little popping noise, just release the gas and pressure.